Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to create a live poll during a Microsoft Teams meeting. In order to create a live poll, we must be in a Microsoft Teams meeting and the conversation box must be visible. So to do that, you can click on the control bar which shows hide and show conversation, and at the bottom of the conversation box you see the ellipses which bring up forms. Clicking on forms here will help you to create a new poll. We type the question in the question box, and once we type the question correctly, we can type all the options for the respondents to choose from. By default, there are two options enabled. If we want to add more, we can click on add option and add as options as required. If we want the respondents to choose multiple answers, you can see the multiple answers button on the right hand side, which can be turned on or off according to our requirement. We also see the delete button next to every option box to delete any undesired options that we may have typed, and then we click on the next button. Once you do that, a preview appears. In case this requires some editing, we can click on edit, else we directly click on send. The moment you click on send, you will see that this appears in your chat box, and you can see the poll there, and so can all the other attendees and participants of the meeting. Now the respondent reads the question, chooses the correct answer, and at the bottom you see the list of responses, which is a collection of live results. So after choosing responses, like for example, let us choose pleasant and submit our vote. Once the vote is submitted, you will immediately see it's reflected in the result at the bottom. Now to see an overall result of our poll, we need to go to a browser like Edge or Chrome and open up our forms page. So here we are going to connect to Microsoft Forms, forms.office.com. As I have already signed into my account, you can see all the forms and you can see this poll form also. The title of the form is the question itself, and on the responses side, you see there has been one response, which was my response. In order to see the detailed results, we click on View Results. You can see the respondent's name along with the choice. And please remember, this quick poll form is read only and it cannot be edited. And it can be deleted by clicking on the ellipses in the title and clicking on the delete button. Thank you for watching. I hope you'd use this in your classes. Do like, subscribe, and share.